Hi everybody, welcome back to Brian Beasley. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. First, what you'll be needing is, well, I'm outside because I always have to clean up. So I have this blanket that I'm just going to be doing it on. First, what you'll be needing is baking soda. I'm using Pure Baking Soda by Food Club. I just got back from the store because I bought this. Plastic bowls or any type of bowls. Sticks to be mixing with. I'm going to be using popsicle sticks. Saline solution. This is really soft though. I have this foam that I'm gonna be mixing it in. It comes with red and blue. There was also, I did not see if there was any colors. There was red and blue and white, just like only white. And then I got, these were on sale for 50 cents. So I got 4 bottles. It's windy out, so I'm so sorry about that. But I have 4 bottles of glue. So, and I'm only going to be probably using like one of them, or I'm going to be making 2 slimes. But first I'm going to be making one. First I'm going to get my bowls out. Hopefully it doesn't fall away. And you could find these plastic bowls and baking soda at Butera. And the red and blue foam and the glue at Walgreens. And then we had to go to the vet for my cat because she had all of these from her allergy. She had scabs from her allergy. So ooh, the lighting's like really better here, but not like this is my real skin tone. And I am in my pajamas. And then so we got these from the doctor, from the vet, for like to check their mouth. So first I'm going to be getting my bowl and I'm pouring my glue in. And I'm using just Elmer's glue. Let's dump it in. And I actually am not using shaving cream because that's how you make it fluffy. And I actually had shaving cream, but then I actually went to the beach and I used all my shaving cream there. So now I'm gonna let that dump. And I don't know how much like baking soda to use. Oh, wait, was it baking soda or did I have to grab like something else? It's still coming out. This is actually pretty a lot. It's white so you can't see it, but oh, that almost spilled out. My sister's upstairs, so sorry if you can check it out of the bed. It's like in the front. That's my neighbor. Okay, so now I'm going to, I don't know what to add in next. I think you're supposed to add in your baking soda. But first I'm going to be just mixing my glue in, so no chunks, and it's already like slime. Now I'm gonna add in my baking soda. I'm just gonna add in like a little at a time. But this will start making it like, I think like to be like slime, I think. And if it doesn't work. And just in case like this gets all like messy, I am just like doing it. But I don't know if you're supposed to add in this. These make like really good mixing tools. Yeah, I'm doing it last. So now I'm gonna add in a little at a time. You can see it's like starting to clump. Comment down below if you went to CVX Live. Still pretty like not ready yet. For some reason it's like not good. Maybe I need to add more baking soda. Because
Hey Jenna, what are you doing? Look at Stella.
what?
Spiky.
I know, because of her medicine. I don't know. Like that we was sticky. Okay, it's just getting off now. Okay, that's super duper sticky. But I know how to make slime. Just I don't know what it is. Maybe you should not use plastic because they will break easily. Whoa, guys. I thought that this was going, to be a fail, but it kind of was. That's actually super duper stretchy. And I love this slime. This is what it is, white slime. But now I'm going to just move my bowl over here and get another bowl. You should see my base. Oh, so I just got like this, sorry, this plain one that I could like play with it in. And it still like sticks a little bit. Oh, that sticks to the bowl. Oh my, it's ruining my bowls. I'm just like ruining my bowls. To make it not stick when you do it, you just want to like lay it like down and like put saline solution in your bowl. And then it will like make it. And then I'm just emptying it out now. So now that it's like, so now I'm gonna open up this. Why am I always saying that? There's not a toothpick, is there? No. These are like not supposed to be put in slime, so I see there's a zipper. Okay, so I'm gonna go ask my dad if he'll help me open this, and I'll be right back. So see you guys when I am. Alright everyone, so I just got some scissors because I did not open it all the way. So, I'm trying to cut it open. I don't get it. Well, I don't get how to open it, so do, and always have a parent open this for you because I do not know how to. Alright, I had to cut it open. Oh my gosh. Here it is. I'm gonna get the red out, I guess. It looks like, well, it feels like like slime already. So let's put it in my slime. This thing is so hard. It's already like slime. And if you have food coloring, you could use it, but I don't have any because I used it all on actually my other slime that I made, but I did not post it on YouTube. And if you have not gone to check out how I play hide and go seek with my cousins, go check it out because they came all the way from Minnesota and they would really appreciate it if you want to go check it out for them. Because that video, not sponsored by anyone, not like my house. I think it's so hard now, but it's like crunchy. Okay, it pokes really good. But there's also like little loam balls that it came with. So y'all really want it. It's like crunchy. Okay, so now I'm going to be making my other one, but I'm gonna get another bowl ready. So now it feels so cool already. It's like I don't even want to do anything with it. Don't blue and red make purple, I think. Right, Chloe? Chloe is my older sister. No, just kidding. She's my younger sister. I'm going into 5th grade. We start school on the 23rd. I'm going into 5th grade. Chloe is going into she's going into 3rd grade. I just don't want to really tell you what school we go to. Just like I think like it's just like privacy. If we are homeschooled, but we're not homeschooled, so I'm not telling you where I live in. So we don't have a P.O. box either. Just come to my house because my aunts are subscribed, so they could come to our house and drop off letters, right, Unky? I think my uncles send me mail because I work really hard. If you watch this, send me mail, please. Fan mail, come to my house. Right, because my uncles so send me fan mail. I work really hard because I spend lots of money on this, and I love this slime. You guys, this slime is so cool. I'm just gonna kill it. Literally, it's like awesome. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna use the same stick as last time. I've made glitter slime before, and glitter slime is awesome. I love glitter slime. This time I'm just gonna make it plain because I don't want to waste my blue. This one, I'm not using the same stick because I'm not. And I know you guys heard my sister. She was talking to me because she's upstairs in our house right now. But this is the last slime I'm gonna make today. So, today. I don't have borax with me because I don't use borax a lot. I don't like borax because I'm always afraid now to use borax because of the 3rd-degree burns or the 2nd-degree burns that you could get of it. Because when you like play with it, it'll give you. It could give you it, like if you don't do something right. Sticky still. Oh God, not again. It's still sticky. I just spilled. But good thing I had a blanket because I always actually do this in my kitchen. Because if you watch all my videos, if you watch the videos that I do, they're all in my kitchen. Some of them are in my kitchen. Some of them, I think. Right? Not all of them are in my kitchen. Just because if it's slime, I have to clean it up. Which I hate cleaning up. So I don't like doing it in my house. But I'm not going to waste all of my blue. So this is just going to be like a half of my blue slime. Do you like my blue slime, you guys? I love it. What do they make? This thing is already like slime, if you guys can see. And I added red in, so now it looks like a poop. I always used to go poop. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye!